Headlines, feeling anxious, very nervous, hiding in my home, hiding in my home. I can't go out to the superstore, there's nothing left there anymore. Where's all the toilet rolls? I wash my hands more times in a day than I did all of 2019. Now I'm clean, I use the technique that means I can't touch anything. Tattooed on my blood type, stocked up on the wet wipes, I've reacted just right. I won't go out in public, worried that we'll get sick. That guy's looking septic. Face masks, now my fashion, have my rations, locking up my doors, locking up my doors. My neighbor's been to Italy, they're dead to me officially. Think I might have to move. When cooking meat, you have one guarantee, it is fine if you fry it in bleach. The postman tried to get my letters inside of my house, which I blocked with concrete. Some say that my actions are overreacting, let's just see what happens. I didn't buy cat litter, so I had to lock her outside for the winter. I've got pasta and soup, I've frozen my fruits, stuck to the max, it'll see me through. I wash my hands more times in a day than I did all of 2019. Now I'm clean, I use the technique that means I can't touch anything. Tattooed on my blood type, stocked up on the wet wipes, I've reacted just right. I won't go out in public, worried that we'll get sick. That guy's looking septic. Some say that my actions are overreacting, let's just see what happens. I'm having trouble breathing, temperature increasing. I have started coughing, 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 coughing. I'll be alright, right?